Your smartphone harbors more germs than a public toilet seat, silently collecting unseen threats with every touch. But a surprising, everyday household item offers a powerful and effective solution to this invisible health hazard. Your smartphone harbors more germs than a public toilet seat, silently collecting unseen threats with every touch. But a surprising, everyday household item offers a powerful and effective solution to this invisible health hazard. This tiny device, constantly in your hands and against your face, collects bacteria, viruses, and fungi with alarming efficiency. Studies reveal millions of microscopic organisms thrive on its warm surface, transferring to your skin with every interaction. These pathogens, including E. coli and Staphylococcus, can contribute to skin breakouts, infections, and even common illnesses. Many people frequently sanitize their hands, yet completely overlook the primary vector for recontamination: their phone. Wiping with a dry cloth or a quick swipe on your jeans does little to truly eliminate this persistent, invisible microbial film. Traditional harsh chemical cleaners often damage screen coatings or etch delicate components over prolonged use. Finding a balance between powerful disinfection and gentle care for sophisticated electronics proves incredibly challenging. Fortunately, an unlikely hero from your bathroom cabinet provides a remarkably safe and universally accessible cleaning method. Understanding its precise application transforms your phone from a germ magnet into a pristine, safer personal device. This simple technique prevents accumulated grime from degrading your phone's performance and aesthetic appeal. Directly applying most cleaning solutions to your phone can be catastrophic, potentially voiding warranties and causing internal damage. The real secret lies in its specific, highly diluted application, ensuring efficacy without compromising sensitive electronic components. Begin by mixing one tiny drop of mild, unscented dish soap into approximately 4 ounces of distilled or filtered water. Stir this solution gently until completely integrated, creating a very weak yet highly effective cleaning agent for your device. Never spray this mixture directly onto your phone's screen or any open ports. Direct liquid contact is an absolute no-go. Instead, dampen a clean, soft microfiber cloth with the prepared solution, ensuring it feels slightly moist, not soaking wet. Gently wipe your phone screen in small, circular motions, allowing the soap solution to break down oily smudges and fingerprints. Pay close attention to corners and edges where grime often accumulates, using minimal pressure to avoid potential scratches. The soap molecules effectively encapsulate grease and dirt particles, lifting them away from the screen's delicate oliphobic coating.
But what about the intricate crevices in charging ports where dirt frequently hides? For these sensitive areas, use a slightly damp cotton swab, dipped sparingly into the same diluted soap solution.
Carefully run the cotton swab along the edges of buttons, speaker grills, and charging ports, avoiding deep insertion into openings. This targeted approach dislodges stubborn particles without introducing excessive moisture into crucial internal electronics. Always ensure the swab is almost dry, just barely damp, to prevent any liquid from seeping into the device's interior circuitry. Once the cleaning is complete, immediately use a separate, absolutely dry microfiber cloth to thoroughly buff and dry the entire phone surface. This crucial step removes any residual soap film, leaving your screen sparkling clear and streak-free, enhancing visual quality. For phone cases, especially silicone or plastic ones, you can often remove them completely for a more thorough wash. Submerge the removed case in a bowl of warm, soapy water, gently scrubbing away accumulated dirt and oils with a soft brush. Rinse the case thoroughly under running water, then dry it completely before reattaching it to your now pristine smartphone. Yet, the protective benefits of this simple routine extend far beyond merely eliminating visible dirt and germs. Regular application helps maintain the screen's oliphobic coating, which naturally repels oils and reduces fingerprint visibility. This careful maintenance prolongs the integrity of your phone's display, ensuring consistent touch responsiveness and vibrant clarity. Even camera lenses benefit from a tiny, almost imperceptible dab of the diluted solution on a lens-specific cleaning cloth. This method ensures your photos remain sharp and clear, free from distracting smudges that degrade image quality. Always remember, patience and precision are key. Rushing this process could introduce moisture or abrasive damage. Implementing this simple soap-based cleaning routine significantly reduces your exposure to potentially harmful pathogens daily. Imagine a visibly cleaner, healthier phone that consistently feels fresh and performs optimally, reflecting its true capabilities. Your screen will exhibit enhanced clarity, making videos sharper and text crisper, transforming your daily viewing experience. Touch responsiveness often improves as accumulated oils and debris no longer interfere with the screen's capacitive functions. This proactive maintenance extends the overall lifespan of your expensive device, delaying the need for costly repairs or replacements. By preventing grime buildup, you safeguard internal components from overheating and performance degradation over time. Furthermore, using readily available soap eliminates the need for expensive, specialized electronic cleaning sprays and wipes. This cost-effective approach makes premium smartphone care accessible to everyone without breaking your budget. The psychological benefit of holding a truly clean device cannot be overstated, providing a sense of renewal and confidence. No more cringing at smudged screens or feeling the grimy texture of an uncleaned case against your cheek. This habit empowers you to take charge of your personal hygiene and the longevity of your essential tech companion. It underscores how simple, overlooked household items often hold surprisingly powerful solutions for complex problems. Your phone, once a silent reservoir of germs, transforms into a gleaming testament to mindful and effective personal care. This small, consistent effort yields significant dividends in both health and the sustained functionality of your device. Embrace this accessible, effective method for a cleaner phone, a healthier you, and a brighter, clearer digital world. The humble bar of soap, when properly utilized, represents a groundbreaking yet simple tool for superior smartphone hygiene and care. It provides a powerful, affordable, and safe alternative to harsh chemicals, ensuring your essential device remains pristine and germ-free. Adopting this quick, gentle routine will noticeably enhance your phone's appearance, performance, and your personal well-being. Discover the incredible power of everyday items to solve common tech dilemmas and improve your daily life significantly. Share this surprising tip with friends who might benefit from a truly clean phone and healthier habits. If you found this fascinating and genuinely helpful, consider hitting that like button to support more content like this. Subscribe for more ingenious tech tips and mind-blowing life hacks that transform your understanding of the world around you. And let me know in the comments below, what's your go-to method for keeping your smartphone impeccably clean?